Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage alternative investments with Yieldstreet, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin managing alternative investments with Yieldstreet, first, visit the Yieldstreet website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the required information, including your personal and financial details. Once your account is set up, log in to access your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the platform's layout and features. Explore the different categories of alternative investments available. These may include real estate, art, marine financing, and more. Review the investment opportunities listed under each category. Take note of key details such as the investment amount, expected returns, and duration. Read through the offering documents for each investment. This will help you understand the associated risks and potential rewards. Determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Consider how each opportunity aligns with your objectives. To invest, select an opportunity that interests you. Input the amount you wish to invest and proceed to the funding steps. Choose your preferred payment method for funding your investment. After funding, track the performance of your investments via the dashboard. Stay informed by reading updates and reports from Yieldstreet. Engage with the community and use resources for additional learning. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and make adjustments as needed. Continue to explore new investment opportunities as they become available. Focusing on diversification can enhance your overall investment strategy. Maintain an open line of communication with Yieldstreet's support team for assistance. Educate yourself continuously on alternative investments to grow your expertise. By following these steps, you will effectively manage alternative investments with Yieldstreet. Start your journey today and make informed investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.